this video, we will see how to design a basic logic functions using differential cascode voltage switch logic. In differential cascode voltage switch logic, the advantages are it performs by means of differential manner. So by a single circuit, we can design it and two logic functions. For example, you can see if A dot B and as well as A dot B bar can be performed. And then here the power dissipation is very less compared to the normal static CMOS design. And then here we will use only two PMOS as a pull-up load. This is the basic structure of a differential cascode voltage switch logic. Always we have a pull-up transistor as a MP1 and MP2 and then followed by a corresponding logic function in the downside, which is in the pull-down network. So here in the pull-down network, at a single time, either switch 1 or switch 2 will be turned on. Either switch 1 or switch 2. Either any one block will be turned on at a single time. So for example, in this logic, you can see they have designed an AND and NAND logic. So here A and B and A bar and B bar. So PMOS will operate for input 0 and NMOS will operate for input 1. So consider this A dot B as a 0 and A dot B bar as a 1 as the initial condition. So now we are applying the input value as A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. Since A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, both this NMOS transistor turns on. So at first condition we will consider A and B, A as a 1 and B as a 1. So for A as a 1, this will be turn on and B is turn on, and 0, this will be turn off and this will be turn off. Since both are turn on, in this output line we will get a 0. We will get a 0. So this 0 will go to this PMOS and then it will turn on the PMOS. So by turning on the PMOS, what happened? This VDD will be comes in the output line. So for AND logic, A and B, for AND logic we got the as a output as a 1, and for NAND logic we got the output as a 0. So for another logic, let us see. We will do A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. So for A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, this will be turn off and this will be turn on. And whereas A bar, so A is equal to 1, this will be turn on. And B bar, this will be turned off. So 0 will be connected to this output line. And then, so here the output will be 0. So for AND gate, we will get output as a 0. So this 0 will switch on the PMOS and this 1 will come to the output line. For A dot B bar will be, the output is 1. So this is how we can perform a basic logic functions in a differential cascade voltage switch logic. You can put in the pull-down network, we can replace any n number of transistors by means of n number of input function can be replaced for both complementary and as well as normal's function. In another example, you can see both an OR and NOR gate has been implemented. So where here we'll get a OR output and here we'll get a NOR output. Let us see this same logic in the LT space design. So here I have performed LT space design. So I have taken a PMOS and another PMOS as a pull-up load, and then I have considered this both the NMOS as A bar and B bar in the parallel condition, and then I have taken a series of NMOS. So here we'll get a NAND output. I have given two inputs A, B and A bar, B bar. A bar, B bar, then there are 4 inputs. So I have taken A, B as a 2 inputs. For A bar, B bar, in the initial voltage I have given as a 5 volts so that it will be get inverted. In the A value I have given the initial value is 0, so it will be start from 0. The A bar and B bar will start from 5 so that it will be get inverted. So I have given 4 inputs within 5 volt as a VDD volts. Let us execute this program, this design. So we will take A and we will take B and we will see the output of NAND and AND. Since I have given more runtime, it is running. So let us take A, B, NAND gate and NAND gate. We will take attaining one part zoom. So now here you can see zoom it more. Yeah. So for A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, the output is 0. For AND gate, the output is 1. For A is equal to 0 and for B is equal to 1, the NAND gate output is 1. For AND gate output is 0. And for A is equal to 0 and for B is equal to 1, the NAND gate output is 1 and the AND gate output is 0. And for 1, 0, for different combinations we can see the output, we can observe the output over here. The NAND gate and AND gate has been performed. So since I have given a different pulse width for A and B to see the output for all the combinations, you can see here 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. We can see for all the different combinations for A, B for the output of NAND and AND gate. So this like this we can perform for different logic functions by using differential cascade voltage switch logic. Thank you for watching.